In our continuing series of the peristaltic pump, we're going to talk about the components that actually hold the pump tubes, and that being the platen and the platen holders and the condition of the rollers. We've already talked about that you want to keep these rollers in clean shape. The other problem that can happen on these is that the roller, the platen holders can have broken components. You see on these that this one has 4 of them and this has 1. What happened, and then also in the back of them there's a little spring motion that you see. Normally it has 4, but in this case one of them is broken here, and what that does is it makes it so that when you clip in the platen it doesn't quite work right. Also, when you do click the platen down, you have a little tooth here that you can see on this one is worn. A new one has a nice good bite, the tooth to it, but you see on the other one that over time, that because of wearing or breaking or acid, that has worn down, and what happens is that you will not get a good consistent bite. And so when that happens, you may not know that the tube is not connected properly, and then you won't have the correct flow of reagents into the cartridge, and you might see reproducibility issues or poorly shaped peaks. And you always want to make sure that the platens will click down and release easily. And whenever you're clicking these down, you want to push down on the lower release and just gently here so that it releases the cog tooth there. You don't want to pull up, and you never want to handle by this motion. And that's probably how this piece got broken, was somebody being a little hard on it. So in this case with the pump, the gentle motion is the way it's going to release these, and generally at the end of the night you just release it like this, and then the next day you just click it down easily. On the next video we're going to talk about the cogs that are inside the roller which cause it to move and how important they are. So look for that video. Thank you.